Today we are building one of the battery boxes. So the first thing we're going to do now is do the main structure that will carry the weight. So these metal parts that we're trying to put into place now, we designed in advance in the CAD on the computer. So we measured this distance out of our CAD model and we designed these pieces, these two pieces to be touching here, and now we can weld them in place. We're gonna see now if it still fits, if it hasn't warped too much after the welding. Just let it cool down for a little bit and then we're gonna put it on. Yeah, nice. We've been building stuff for all our lives. When we were like 10 years old, we built sledges and then we started building little motorbikes. So basically we feel relatively confident changing stuff, welding and taking it apart, putting it back together. We just put on the front right battery box, one of the small battery boxes. In this box we will have 2 battery modules. Each module weighs 50 kilos, so there will be around 100 kilos of weight in this box. It is stiff on this edge and very stiff on this edge, but on this one it's still bouncy. But as soon as the lid snaps on top, the box is stiffened out by the lid, so there is no bouncing anymore. And then basically it will easily hold our weight. We can just step on top. And we are obviously more than 100 kilos heavy, but this is no problem for the box. It is made to hold about 10 times the weight of the battery. So we're quite happy with this.